Well, here we are. It's the middle of dry January. Have you made it this far? Have you had a cocktail? I know, this seems like one of the longest months of the year. Well, if you have made it so far, congratulations. Good for you for sticking with it. Today, we're going to support you one more time and we're going to offer you another mocktail. This cocktail is off of a cocktail that dates back to the 80s. And if you're a Vikings fan, I'm sorry, this is supposedly the team cocktail, and, well, have one in memory of the team. Today's cocktail is a Purple People Eater Mocktail. I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and you've come to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, but you notice there's no booze on the bar. That's because it's a mocktail. So we're going to take some fresh, fruity ingredients, combine them together, and make a great one. Let's get pouring. Our first going in there is cranberry juice. Now, it's not freshly squeezed cranberry juice, but we are using sugar-free. We're going to put in there 3 ounces. My next ingredient in there is another little sweet in there, and that's pineapple juice. For the pineapple juice, we're going to use about 1/2 ounce. That one we did squeeze. Our next juice in there is lemon juice. We're going to brighten this up a little bit with that lemon juice. It's freshly squeezed. Keep saying fresh is best. 1/4 ounce. He said Purple People Eater. It's not purple yet. Well, we're going to put some blue curacao in there. Now, this is not an alcoholic blue curacao. It is a blue curacao syrup, alcohol-free. And what it is an orange syrup that is colored blue. If you look in the description, you'll see the recipe for it. And we're going to put in there 1 full ounce. Told you it was going to be purple. Now what we want to do is chill this down. So let's put some ice in there and give this a shake. Coming down the home stretch. Now we have our glass. We're using a double old-fashioned glass. We're going to fill it up with ice. Next ingredient going in there is we're going to use some grenadine. That's a pomegranate syrup. And we're going to put in there 1 ounce. It's a good thick heavy syrup, so it's going to drop to the bottom of the glass. Now we pour, but we don't want to mix them up just quite yet. So we're going to pour this over the back of a bar spoon on top of the ice, nice and slow, nice and gentle. And now, and this is optional, you can take it the way it is right now. If you want, you can also put in there a little bit of club soda, give it a little bit of effervescence. Just top that. As we come into the home stretch, we just got a garnish. And what I want to do is take a little bit of pineapple. That's going to tie in with that pineapple juice that's in the cocktail. Put that on there. And we're going to take some blueberries. They're frosted with sugar. Drop those on the top. And then all we need to do is put a straw in there. And there's today's mocktail, the Purple People Eater. There are all kinds of fruit flavors in there. This is a really delicious fruit punch. It's great for the kids. You've got the pineapple you can taste in there. You've got your cranberry. You've got the sweet from the pineapple juice. It all kind of ties together into a crazy fruit. And if you decide this is the day that you're breaking dry January, an ounce and a half of vodka in that, and you have a full-powered Purple People Eater. Thanks, everybody.